Never used a computer and need help from the very beginning. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is look at the parts of a computer. Depending on where you're sitting, most of these parts are on a table or desk around you or in front of you. Of course, you're looking at a monitor, which is like a TV screen, and it acts pretty much just like a TV screen, except, of course, it can have, in addition to moving pictures and still pictures, it can have text as well that you can type and edit using this thing, the keyboard, which is like a typewriter. And you'll see that the keys are laid out just like a typewriter, but they have some extra keys and some extra things that we'll be going over. Then there's the mouse. The mouse is what we call a navigation and selection tool. It allows you to move a little cursor onto different things on the screen, and by pressing a button on the mouse to select them or to make something else happen on the screen. It's called a mouse because it's got a little round body with a long tail connecting it to the computer, although these days sometimes it's wireless, so there's no tail. Somewhere nearby, either next to the computer, on the floor under the table, or under the computer on top of the table, is a box. It could be vertical like this, it could be on its side, but it's the computer itself. And it's what does all the work, and it has circuit boards, and fans, and storage media, and ways for other devices to be hooked up to it, and ways for transportable storage media to be put in and out of it, such as CDs and memory sticks. You may have a printer nearby, or it may be across the room, but it's what prints the words and pictures that you type on paper. You might have some speakers, which are just like stereo speakers for voice, music, and other sounds. And somewhere